How to lock your Facebook profile 2026. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Move into Settings and Privacy, and then head over to Settings. Now you have to scroll down, and in the section of Audience and Visibility, move into Followers and Public Content. In this page, you have to set all of these settings to Friends or Only Me. If some of the options are public, then you have to set it to Friends of Friends or Only Me. Once you are done converting all of these settings to Friends, now you have to go back and click on this three dot. Once your profile is locked, you will be able to see that the professional mode is disabled, and it also says that your profile is locked. So this is simply how you can lock your profile on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.